Traders, today 28th of November. What a blessing day, guys. We had another beautiful trade long on dollar yen. Let me share with you guys how we manage amazing profit. As you have seen in my previous analysis video, if you haven't, you will find the video in my YouTube channel. In my previous analysis, we had this short trade bank amazing profit. So we were expecting some counter opportunity here. So we had it, bank amazing profit. Now let me share with you guys how I analyze the market. Pretty straightforward. As you have seen previously, we have this short trade here. Now, once the market develop another structure as explained to my trader in detail, high probability a counter opportunity. If you look at here, the market sort of like develop inverted head and shoulder pattern. So market nicely broken this one. Beautiful momentum. If you look at here, momentum was bullish. Market nicely broken. Hit to the first profit target. As explained, my trader, it's time to enjoy amazing profit on dollar yen. So guys, as you have seen, if you look at all of my dollar yen analysis, we basically broadcast those intraday analysis real time. And if you are interested to watch all those analyses with a full explanation and detail, most welcome. Join our fast growing trader community. Have a nice day.